Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change timeline resolution in DaVinci Resolve. This is especially useful when you're working on projects that require specific aspect ratios or dimensions, whether it's for social media content, professional video work, or any custom format you need. Let's walk through this straightforward process. First things first, open your DaVinci Resolve app on your computer. Once the application launches and you're ready to work, you'll need to access the project settings where all the important configuration options live. This is where you'll be able to control the technical aspects of your timeline. Now, direct your attention to the lower right corner of your screen. Here you'll find a gear icon, which is the universal symbol for settings across most applications. Go ahead and click on this gear icon. This action will open up the settings panel where you can customize various aspects of your project to match your specific needs. Once the settings panel opens, you'll notice you're automatically placed on the Master Settings tab by default. This is exactly where you need to be. Within this section, look for the Timeline Format area. This is the hub for all resolution and format-related settings that will determine how your project is structured from the ground up. Within the Timeline Format section, you'll see an option labeled Timeline Resolution. This is the setting that controls the dimensions of your project canvas. Next to Timeline Resolution, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down to reveal all the available resolution options that DaVinci Resolve offers. You'll see a variety of preset options ranging from standard HD to 4K and even custom aspect ratios designed for different platforms and purposes. From this list, simply select the resolution that best fits your project requirements. For example, if you're creating content for Instagram or other social media platforms that favor square formats, you might choose 2160 by 2160 HD square. This gives you that perfect square canvas that works beautifully for social posts. Of course, you can choose any resolution that matches your project's needs, whether it's widescreen, vertical, or any other format. After selecting your preferred resolution, look down at the bottom of the settings panel. You'll see a Save button waiting for you. Click on Save to confirm and apply your resolution changes. This finalizes the adjustment and sets your timeline to work with the new dimensions you've selected. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your timeline resolution in DaVinci Resolve. Your project is now configured with the exact resolution you need for your creative work. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.